Welcome back. I'm Dylan with BimmerTech, and today we have this E84 X1 where Russ is going to be installing our wireless CarPlay and Android Auto MMI Prime. You don't want to miss this highlight of the installation, so let's go check out Russ. The awesome thing about our kit is it's complete plug and play, and that includes the microphone extension cable that you need to make our kit work, and that's what Russ is installing right now. The cable is attached to the microphone in the center dome section, run across the headliner above the windshield, and then cable tied down the A-pillar to avoid interference with the airbag. Russ removes the interior trim pieces he needs to make this installation clean and hidden, yet 100% reversible. Right now, Russ uses a Torx 20-bit to remove the panels. Up under here is where the wireless CarPlay and Android Auto MMI Prime is going to live. Now, if you have a CIC head unit, your installation is a little bit more in-depth than if you have, say, an MBT Evo head unit. You do have to take apart the center console and connect into the iDrive controller, which Russ is doing right now. Do you know why Russ helps us with these installs? Because he has a lot of drive.
Oh dear Lord.
Removing the head unit on these is a bit tricky, but once you have the center console section loose, you can slide it out with a bit of wiggling and persuasion. With this being a CIC head unit, we need to connect our BimmerTech harness to the iDrive controller, which Russ is doing right now. And now that the center console is apart, Russ is going to be feeding the cable for the iDrive controller, the aux, and the USB. And after the head unit is removed, Russ is going to be installing the BimmerTech plug-and-play harness for our MMI Prime. On this E84 X1, we found that the best place to put the wireless CarPlay and Android Auto MMI Prime is behind the glove box. You can access that by removing the panel underneath the dashboard, slip the MMI underneath, put the panel back on, and you're good to go. Russ is plugging in everything on the wireless CarPlay and Android Auto MMI Prime for CIC so that way we can give it a quick test before we button everything up. The test is complete, everything is working just as it should, so Russ is putting the vehicle back together and then we will be done. After a quick test fit and test run, Russ tidies up the cables and tucks everything away. Making the magic happen. While this video is more of an overview, we have plenty of full-length and in-depth videos on our YouTube channel that can help you out. The BimmerTech wireless CarPlay and Android Auto MMI Prime for CIC is installed. Everything is connected, it looks great, it functions well. Installation on these is straightforward and simple. Plug and play, 100% reversible. If you want one of these for your ride, head on over to our website, link in the description. For more tips and tricks about BMWs and how BimmerTech can help you with your ride, make sure you click subscribe and don't forget to ring that bell. Thanks for watching.